Dear students, welcome to free ICT tutorials Tamil YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will study about operating system interfaces. Grade 10, Unit-5. Right, now we want to know about these two things, interfaces, CLI and GUI. First of all, understand what is interface. We want an interface to interact with computer. I can explain these both from simple example. Commonly, all of you well-known smartphones. When you turn on your smartphone, screen displays colorful screen with any welcome messages. After, if you want to access your mobile phone, you must click any icons or any buttons what you want. Right. Imagine if those information displayed on your smartphone screen no there. Your mobile phone buttons are, that's hardware. But if there is no display on the screen, how can you perform your activities? Because nothing to guide you. How can it possible? How can communicate with device? How can make a call? How can send messages? How can take a photo or video? But when those information displayed in the screen, you can follow those instructions to do your tasks. Those buttons, colorful screens, letters, icons, that called interface. Why do we need an interface? You are a user, phone is a machine. If you connect with your phone, you want interface. Interface communicates two things. They are user and machine. Machine means any devices. If that machine doesn't have interfaces, you cannot communicate with them. Definitely, all machines want interfaces. Interface must be important to connect user and the machine. Look here, we have two types of interfaces. They are first one CLI, command line interface. Next one GUI, graphical user interface. If you want ICT and simple English with Tamil meaning tutorials, you want to subscribe this channel, then click the notification bell button also. Thank you.